of the Trinamool Congress government's impunity, indifference and inaction. The Arjikor incident, a crime so horrific, so vile that it shakes the very core of our humanity, must not be seen as anything other than the reflection of the sheer incompetence and moral decay that the Trinamool Congress government has bred in Bengal. We have seen from time and time again how Mamata Banerjee has used the entire government machinery to shield her cronies who have been accused of corruption in all spheres of governance, be it education, be it coal, and now even health. What should we take the inaction and indifference of the TMC government in the Arjikor incident for? If not, as a mockery of the doctors, students, women and common people shouting on the streets for accountability. What should we take it for, if not a free hand to the sexual predators who have been lurking in Bengal in every nook and corner of the streets in Bengal since 2011? And what should we take it for, if not the TMC government's blatant complicity in this horrific crime? Just as people in Bengal today are again taking to the streets to show that our voices in India can no longer be silenced, our voices in Bengal can no longer be dubbed, that our conscience cannot be bought, and that our memories cannot be erased by political gimmicks as been tried by Mamata Banerjee. We as SFI JNU condemn the horrific crime taking place in Bengal continuously, the TMC government that has been complicit in these crimes. We as SFI JNU condemn and demand for Abhaya for all the victims of sexual predators in Bengal since 2011. Over and beyond the severity of justice, the surety of justice, accountability and action against all the sexual predators and perpetrators of this heinous crime. Shukriya, Inqilab.